Hi, I'm Mark Woolbright with Greenwall Ventures, and I'm a plantable or living retaining wall inventor. And my latest product offering came out a couple years ago. It's called SmartSlope. And right now, what we're attempting to show is what I focus on my blog and my website quite a bit, and that's that if you want a plantable retaining wall system, the most important feature is volume of plantable soil or media in the pocket, and the capacity of the system or the block to hold it verifiably so that you know that it's in there. So what I want to do is I want to kind of do a little bit of comparison that shows you visually what that means. What I have here is a VersaGreen block from Versalock, and it's also marketed as a plantable fill receiving retaining wall module, and this is its pocket. It's bounded at the rear. It's got a couple little holes in the bottom here. The SmartSlope by comparison is unbounded at the rear, and so the soil that's in the pocket is in connection to the retained mass back here for moisture and nutrient transfer, and it's a big pocket. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this pocket, and then I'm going to go ahead and dump that material into the SmartSlope and give you kind of a quick visual as to what the differences might be in the two systems. I might also add that in addition to what goes in the pocket on SmartSlope, once you stack 2 blocks above, you fill this whole zone here with overburden, and that almost doubles the amount of plant holding fill in this particular module, up to what we publish as 1.25 cubic feet per module. We're using mulch because the mulch is pretty easy to work with, actually, as opposed to, that's what effectively goes in the pocket there. Now, I might smash that down, and we can even put a little more in there. And that's essentially full. So that's what is held in here. By the numbers, by the published numbers, it's about 400 and, well, I want to say about 480, 70 or 80 cubic inches of infill goes in here. By comparison, we get about 1,200 cubic inches neat to the top of the rails in the SmartSlope module. So now, if I pick this up, sure wish these blocks were lighter. Okay, so the VersaGreen is now empty, and we've got all the plantable media, as an example, into the SmartSlope module. Gives you an idea how much extra room we've got in the SmartSlope module for plantable fill. And when you're talking about a green or living retaining wall, it's all about the fill, because it's all about the plants. Because your goal in using either of these systems is to make sure that when you're done, 2 years down the road, you have a fully grown over, performing, healthy, living retaining wall. It's not really about the block. It's about the plants and the way the plants look according to the landscape plan on the finished wall. And these blocks are supposed to be the best means to that end. We think SmartSlope is. We think we've designed it right because we've designed it with a big fill holding pocket. And you can see for yourself. Thank you for looking.